Hi everybody, it's February 1st, 2011 in Chicago, Illinois, and the blizzard of the century is hitting. We've already got our power lost. It's browned out or something. So I'm going to try to document this blizzard over the next couple days, and you can see the fun that you're missing. Alright. So here we go. Before I go, I should tell you that most people got off work tomorrow or can work from home, but I happen to be on primary support, and so that means I got to keep the trading software running, and so I got to go in and brave the storm. So it's about 4 o'clock on Tuesday now, and welcome to Chicago. Not too bad. Not too bad yet. Not too bad yet. So, you can see about the depth right now. It's just starting to coat pretty well. Oh, good. Looks like some of the people's lights are on. Maybe mine came back on. Okay, we're at California in Milwaukee. There's the California IA CTA Blue Line station. Oh, I'm getting cold. No, look, the red light is not working. Okay. Alright, here I go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Say something to the camera, Manny.
How's it going?
It's going. Staying warm.
Enjoying the nice weather out there?
Yeah, going sled right. Okay, here we go again. It's not too bad yet. It's probably more chance of dying from a car hitting me. One more time. Victory. Safety. Here's a peek out my back window. You can see the trees up there. They're kind of whipping around. It's not too bad yet. It's supposed to get a lot worse. Commonwealth Edison, you suck. You browned out, and this is getting to be a problem. Yeah, we got a little bit of light here, but you know, our heat doesn't come on, and it's getting cold here, so you suck. Get our power back up to full speed. Okay. About 9 o'clock at night. Getting a little bit crazy out here. My heat's out. And I'm pretty cold. But look, you know, you got lights everywhere. We have this selective brownout going on. I don't understand. What the hell is the deal here? I'm cold. We're down to the someplace that has some kind of like warmth. This is crazy. Alright, and continuing on from there we go. There is Belden Avenue, and it's a significantly lot more snow on here. A lot more snow. What do we got here? Train. Train is leaving. Whew. The train never quits. That's one thing that's constant in the universe. Ow, damn, it's cold. What we got going here? I forgot my gloves. That's why. The buses are working. They always do. They're like the train. Probably. I have never found out. I noticed that it looks like the lights are browned out too. I don't feel so bad. Look, oh man, everything's browned out. What is a cold one? Yeah, it's a cold one. So it's not even close to finished here. Let's go see if Manny's still alive. Where's Manny?
Yeah, Manny's gone for the day. I don't know where he's at. He's
oh my God! He's in my documentary.
Oh no! Oh.
Tell me, have you been in Chicago like forever?
Yes, forever.
Is it been this cold?
It's cold. It used to be colder. Thanks, Petey.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, man. You know, there's no electricity in my apartment.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they got this brownout going.
Wow, too bad. Wrong day for brownout. Good luck.
Oh, oh, the wind is kicking up here, baby girls. Yeah, it's cold. Woohoo! Place. Oh, I'm gonna die of frostbite. Oh, it's gonna be terrible. Oh my God. I'm frozen. Okay. Commonwealth Edison. Brownout still going on. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt that it's really tough out there. But I have no heat. I broke out my zero bag. Getting ready for a very, very cold night in the bed. Just hope my pets don't die. And this is the problem with the all electricity heating. If your electricity goes out, you get no heating. In contrast to gas, which probably isn't so affected in a situation like this. So, if you hear from me tomorrow, you know I'm alive, and otherwise you'll probably see this on some frozen video. So good luck, Chicago. Don't die.